Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a fun twist on a famous street food, Street Style Vada Pav. Crispy outside, soft inside and bursting with flavor. This easy snack is perfect for breakfast, tea time or whenever you are craving something delicious. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chaat masala. Add coriander leaves. Mix everything until well combined. Now take a bread slice and cut into a round shape using a steel glass. Now spread a layer of green sauce in one piece and tomato sauce on other piece. Now cover the bread pieces with the potato mixture. Now prepare the coating. In another bowl, sieve 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Now add 2/3 cup of water and whisk until you get a smooth batter. Make a smooth lump-free batter for an even crispy coating. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix again. Dip each stuffed bread into the besan batter. Carefully place them into medium heated oil. Fry until both sides become golden brown, crispy and beautifully puffed. And that's your street style Vada Pav, ready to enjoy. It's crunchy, flavorful and guaranteed to be loved by everyone at home. Serve hot with green chutney, ketchup or garlic chutney and enjoy every crunchy bite. Thank you for watching Innoven Foods. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods.